My little girl recently turned 6, and this is one of the things that I decorated her birthday table with. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. We'll start by making the custard filling. In a saucepan, I added 2 eggs. I am going to beat the eggs for about a minute. Once that is done, I move in with sugar, a cup of vanilla flavor, and cornstarch. Now I'm going to mix thoroughly till there are no lumps. Please, this part is very important. Mix very well. Take your time and mix, all right? Once that is done, I move in with milk. Once I add the milk, I'm going to quickly stir again, then transfer the saucepan to my stove and start stirring non-stop. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, as you continue to stir, it will start to thicken. Once it thickens to your desired consistency, take it off the heat, alright? Transfer in another bowl. The more it cools down, the thicker it becomes, alright? Now, I'm going to set it aside. You can put this anywhere around your kitchen or in a refrigerator, alright? Now, let's make the dough. In an empty bowl, I will add instant yeast. To that, I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less. Now I move in with warm water. You can substitute the warm water with warm milk. Mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I added 2 tablespoons of oil. You can as well substitute the oil with melted butter using the same measurement. All right, it is time to move in with the flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it, all right? I added cinnamon powder and salt. Feel free to add any other dry ingredient of your choice. Once that is done, I move in with my fingers and start mixing. Now I'm going to transfer the dough to the work surface. This will give me enough space to mix the dough very well. Continue mixing and kneading till I form a smooth dough just like this one. Transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl, cover and keep anywhere warm around your home to prove, all right? 10 minutes later, voila! It has doubled in size at this point. This can be more than 10 minutes, all right? Now, I'm going to transfer the dough back to the work surface. I'm going to knead for a few seconds just to take out the air. Now it is time to roll. Before rolling, dust the work surface with some flour, place the dough, arrange in a way that it will be easier for you to roll. Move in with the rolling pin and start rolling to flatten the dough. A beautiful shout out to you, Sharon, watching from Lagos, Nigeria. Ariana Cooking, watching from Afghanistan. Damilola from Nigeria. Ruth from Zambia. And Mariana, all the way from Tanzania. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Alright, after rolling, I'm going to use a round mold to cut the dough. As demonstrated, take out the excess ones after cutting. You'll be left with a perfect round shape. Don't throw the excess ones away. You are still going to make use of it. All right. Now, if you have 28 pieces of the cut out dough, you are going to perforate 14. All right. I'm going to give another opening to 14 pieces of the dough. All right. I hope you understand what is going on here. If you do, type "I understand" at the comment section. Of course, I know you do. All right. So the one that I didn't open, I'm going to rub in a little water on the surface. Then the ones that I open, I'll pick up one and place it on the ones that I didn't open. I'm sure you are with me at this moment. Come on, somebody say, I'm with you at the comment section. Make sure you place them very well and give it a gentle tap, all right, so that they will stick together. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the pieces ones, all right? Now it is time to arrange in an open tray just like so. Gently do this and you should have these cuties. Where are these cuties from? They are from our in-laws, Tanzanians. Tanzanians in the building, make some noise. All right, we are going to cover and allow to sit again for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, oh la la, look at that. It has doubled in size a little bit, but they are sticking together. That is the most important. Make sure that these two are sticking to each other. They are husband and wife, no two ways about it. You can bake at this point, but we are going to fry. In a deep hot moderate oil, drop these Tanzania babes into the hot oil. Mamma mia. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Now, after dropping these babes into the hot oil, allow them to cook for about a minute. It does not take time to cook. Don't forget to flip them around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once they are golden brown like so, they are ready. Take them out of the hot oil. Transfer in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And you should have these cuties. What a gorgeous look. At this point, you can go ahead and enjoy. It is ready. But this is for my girl. It's her special day. Mommy need to get it twisted. What I go? Okay, now I take it to another level. I mix some sugar, cinnamon, and some milk powder together. I will go ahead and coat them one after the other. You can use this recipe for commercial purposes. After frying, just go ahead and deliver to your customers, all right? After coating with sugar, look what we have. Are we done yet? No, it's like you have forgotten something. Remember the custard filling that we made earlier? It is time to make use of it. Stir again and transfer into a piping bag. If you are with me at this moment, type piping time. Go ahead and pipe the custard in it one after the other. And that is basically all for this recipe. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, comment with another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. Just look at that. I take a bite and this is what the inside looks like. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.